Part number one, we're gonna open the main box, bend the flaps, and tape them shut. And flip the box. Second part, I'll take the insert, fold it open. Close the little flaps. Flip it over. Same thing on the other side. Okay, we want to insert it with the writing up. Let me take the shells. Put the shells in, just like that. On top of that, there is the white platform. I'm gonna bend it just like that. And put it on top of the shelves. Right now we have the platform put together. We're gonna take 2 boxes, SILIGUN, put them in, and remove the cover. When you open the box, you're gonna have a little flap. Just need to bend it down, just like that, and insert it next to the other one. Now you're also gonna receive a display. It's gonna come just like that, and this one gonna come in right in the openings. A charging wire inside the bag that comes with the display, and this is gonna hook up on the side. It's gonna be, when you face it on the left side, regular connection, and just hook up to the electricity and you're ready.